How to make all your videos private on TikTok at once. Hello everybody, welcome back into this channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make all your videos private on TikTok at once. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide through this video. In order to make all the videos, all TikTok videos private at once on TikTok, go ahead and open up TikTok first and head over to your profile. Once you head over to your profile, you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and head over to settings and privacy from the pop-up on the bottom. Then tap on the privacy option here and you can see the private account option. You can enable this. Now this will set your account to private and only your followers will be able to view your videos. Now this is the only way to set your videos on your account to private at once. If you want to private all your videos, you'll have to do it one by one, simply opening up the video, tapping on three dots and going ahead and tapping on privacy settings and going ahead and setting it to only you. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.